Order filled.
I bought 2 points below the 18 low, and I scalped out with 2 points within that same bar. After the sell climax and the 3 bull bars, I thought this was probably a final flag, and so I bought 2 points below, thinking that the breakout to the downside would fail, and that we'd get back up above the low of the final flag. But I think this is a failed breakdown, and that we're just forming a trading range here. So I think we will get back above the 18 low again. I was just lucky to have it get back up there within that same bar. So scalp at 2 points and up $100 today. So doing the same thing here, buying 2 points below that low, the 23 low, betting that we're in a trading range. I think pretty reasonable to expect this gap to fill. So I think we're going to go above the 23 low.
Order filled.
Got filled there. Looks like I got 9 ticks instead of 8. I bought 9 ticks below the 23 low. Probably could have held that actually instead of scalping out because of how aggressively it started to race up. But I'd like to see a good bull bar closing on its high before buying with a stop. So I'll wait for that. I probably could have been a little bit greedier and put my order a little bit lower because we fell 3 points below here. So I could have put it 2 points. Sorry, we fell 6 points below the 18 low. So I could have put this order 4 points below the 23 low, and I would have made 4 points instead of 2. But I thought it was a reasonable thing to do, and up 212 now on the day. And this is a reasonable area for the bottom of this leg down, so we could start a rally up to the moving average. But I'd like to see a bull bar closing on its high. I think this is probably a minor reversal down after this micro channel. I think we'll probably get back above this low.
Order filled.
So I bought the close of that bear bar, betting that we get back up above here to close this gap. And I'll exit if we get bear follow through, or obviously if it gets to my stop. I'll lose my profits for the day. I'll lose 4 points. But I think it's a reasonable setup. I thought we were still always in long, and possibly putting in a leg 1, leg 2 move up. And after 8 bars up, or a 9 bar bull micro channel, I thought this first move down will be minor. So I thought it was worth it to buy low and give it a shot, but it doesn't look like it's working out as planned. I'm going to try to exit with a 2-point loss instead of letting the stop get hit. But it looks like it's going to get hit right now.
Stop filled.
So lost, I think 7 ticks, a little under 2 points, a little under 4 points. No, not 7 ticks. 15 ticks, a little under 4 points. And down to 37.50 on the day. Thought it was an okay by the close. There are probably buyers below here as well because I do still think it's minor, but I didn't want to use a stop all the way down here. So I'll take that loss. I think it's okay. And I think it's an okay idea, but unfortunately that didn't work out here. I have an order to buy above this bull bar. I was going to buy a 50% pullback if it pulled back first, but if it triggers the buy above, then I'll be long above.
Stop filled.
Pretty strong breakout, second entry. I didn't buy above here because it wasn't a great signal bar, but now that we have consecutive bull bars, I think it's reasonable to buy. Feeling a bit nervous because stop is pretty far, and only trading 1 contract, so can't trade less than that. But in a normal situation, I would buy above there and then buy more at a 50% pullback. But I don't know if I want to do that today. I think this is a strong enough breakout that we can get up here and possibly to the 36 high, because that was a buy the close rally after the breakout and follow through. So there could be a magnet up here. It'd be nice to be able to take off half at 4 points and leave the other half for the high close there. 41.24.75 would be 4 points, and that would allow me to make back my loss from despite the close, which would have been okay if I used the stop down here. But like I mentioned, I didn't want to use a stop that wide. But this move down was still a minor reversal, so it would have been okay. And I can make back that loss by exiting at 4 points, and that's pretty tempting. So I'm not quite sure what I want to do. I think I will exit at 4 points. I don't know. It's such a strong move up, and I'd like to wait for that magnet above, but I'm just less confident about the magnet, and I wouldn't want to let this turn into a loser or a break-even trade because I went for a more aggressive target. I think I will exit with those 4 points if it gives it to me. So I'm going to exit there at the close of the bar.
Order filled.
So it missed my order, but it didn't quite get to my order, and I like to exit on the close of the bar. So I didn't quite make 4 points there. I think I was 2 ticks short of it, but I'm okay with that trade. So back up to $200, and I'll be done for the day.